everyone, this is John from JC Chinese. Long time no see, how have you been? And starting from this video, let's talk about some traditional and very delicious Chinese food in Chinese. And if there is any Chinese vocabularies you'd like to learn, please just leave us a message below. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to write and speak hotpot, 火锅, 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 火锅. Okay, now please follow me and let's write those two Chinese characters together. Let's go! Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe below. Thanks again. 感谢观看。